down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faris Hustha. My class is SK1B Intralaya. I'm from Faculty of the Computer Science, majoring in Computer System.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Anggun Putri Radisty.
Hello, my name is Agera Aniska.
Hello, my name is Adi Nugroho, and now we will answer some questions about incomplete independent clauses.
Okay. A. Clauses. All sentence consists of one or more clauses. A simple sentence consists of one clause. So here it is explained that all sentence consists of one or more clauses and a simple sentence consists of one clause. Example: people need vitamin. Example 2: the man took a vitamin pill. Example 3: Judy lives in Northern California. Example 4: in the summer, Tom walked to his office. A compound sentence consists of two independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. Example such as and but. So here it is explained that a compound sentence consists of two independent clauses which are combined with a connecting sentence or conjunction. Example: the man took a vitamin pill and he drank a glass of orange juice. Example 2: Judy lives in Northern California now, but she was raised in Ohio. A complex sentence consists of an independent clause, or called the main clause, and a dependent or subordinate clause. Subordinate clauses may be adverb clauses, noun clauses, or adjective clauses. Yes, so a complex sentence is a combined sentence between independent clauses and dependent clauses. Example: the man took a vitamin pill because he had a cold. Example 2: I didn't realize that Nancy was here. Example 3: Tom walked to his office, which is located on Broadway, every day during the summer. Okay.
Using subject, verb, object, and complements. All clauses have subject and the verb. Clauses with an action verb often take direct object as well. The verb missing from an independent clauses may be single word verb. Example: need, wish, talk, had, and want. Or a verb phrase consisting of one or more verbs and the auxiliary main verb. Example: will need, has been, should take, will have had, and had want. The verb may be active. Example: need and take. Or passive. Example: was be needed and is taken. The missing subject and direct object may be a noun. Example: people, vitamins, and Tom. A noun phrase. Example: some famous people of vitamins pill and my friend Tom. Or a pronoun. Example: he, she, it, and the are subject pronouns. Him, her, it, and the are object pronouns. Okay, next. After the verb to be and certain other non-action verb, a subject complement is used rather than a direct object. Example, subject complement are also known as predicate nominative and predicate adjective.
Okay, next, C. Clauses with the and it. Some clauses begin with the introductory words the or it rather than with the subject of the sentence. These introductory words are sometimes called expletive. Okay, what is expletive? Expletive are empty words or words that have no meaning which are added to a sentence. In the conversation, expletive is useful for giving a speaker time to think for a moment about what to say. Words in writing, the purpose of using empty words is to emphasize a certain part in a sentence. The expletive there shows that someone or something is it, usually at a particular time or place. The sentence generally follow the pattern there plus verb to be plus subject. Okay, example. There are many skyscrapers in New York City. There is a formula. There plus verb and plus subject. Next, there was a good movie on television last night. Is it example? Next, the expletive is used in a number of different situations and patterns. Example, it is important to be punctual for appointment. Is it the formula with the verb to be plus adjective plus infinitive? Okay. 2. It was in 1959 that Alaska became a state with the verb to be plus adverbial plus noun clause. 3. It takes a long time to learn a league with the verb to take plus time first plus infinitive. Okay. 2. It was in 1959 that Alaska became a state with the verb to be plus adverbial plus noun clause. 3. It takes a long time to learn a league with the verb to take plus time first plus infinitive. Okay, thank you.
Number 1. On the moon's blank air, because the moon's gravitational field is too weak to retain atmosphere. The correct answer to fill the blank is A. There is no. B. Where no. C. No. D. Is no. Now we see the question. There is word because. Well, this because is a connector of two clauses. So there is clauses before the word because and after the because. What we seek to answer is before the because. So let's see it. Air. This word air is subject. On the moon. This is adverb. So we need to fill the blank with verb. But how? So this is called expletive. Expletive is a clause or sentence where it starts with there and it. So the pattern is there or it plus verb to be or verb to be not plus subject. So the answer is A. There is no. On the moon, there is no air because the moon's gravitational field is too weak to retain atmosphere. Number 2. Blank are needed for work on the new space program. The correct answer to fill the blank is A. Engineer, B. Engineers that, C. Engineers, D. That engineer. As we can see, the blank is before are needed. Needed is verb 3. Are is to be. So what we need to fill the blank is subject. So let's see the answer. B and D, of course not the answer because there is word that. That is for connector of two clauses. Well, this clauses is only one. And then there is A and C. A. Engineer. C. Engineers. We see the to be. Are. Are is for plural, not singular. So the answer A is not correct. The answer is C. Engineers. Number 3. Duke Ellington wrote blank during his career. The correct answer to fill the blank is A. There were over 1,000 songs. B. Over 1,000 songs were. C. Over 1,000 songs. D. That over 1,000 songs. Let's see the question. Duke Ellington is the subject. Wrote is the verb. And this wrote is a transitive verb. So it needs object after this. So let's see the answer. A. There were over 1,000 songs. Well, this is not the answer because there is word there were. B. Over 1,000 songs were. This is not the answer too. There is word were. So this is not object. D. That over 1,000 songs. This is not the answer too. The answer is C. Over 1,000 songs. Lastly, number 4. The art of storytelling blank, almost as old as humanity. The correct answer to fill the blank is A. That is B. Is C. It is D. Being. So let's see the question. The art of storytelling. This is the subject. Blank, almost as old as humanity. This is, we can say, as adverb. So what we need here is verb or to be. So let's see the answer. A. That is. This is not the answer because there is that. C. It is. This is not the answer because it is subject. While the question, there is already the subject. D. Being. This is not the right answer because if you want to use being, there must be to be before verb ing. So the answer is B. Is. The art of storytelling is almost as old as humanity.